Still on the engine service. This is the filter, the air filter of the mini truck. You know, we just carried out engine service, so this is part of the engine service that had to be attended to. The air filter is not yet clogged, but it has a dusty coverage. This air filter comes with two air filters, which comprises of primary and secondary air filter. The one inside, the bigger and the smaller one. So these air filters helps to ensure that there is no particle that will follow air to the engine. Any particle or any dust that follows the air will be trapped by these two filters. If it manages to escape the big one, the small one will never allow the air, the particle or the dust to penetrate to the engine. So these are the essence of these two filters. Heavy duty vehicles normally come with two filters like this. That is to ensure that there is no form of particle that will be going into the engine. So we are going to dust these filters. We are going to dust both the cover and the bigger one to keep it clean before replacing it. We are going to make sure that it's very clean. Clean it up before replacing it. Most times we use pressurized air to dust it. So guys, this mini truck is being serviced after 5,000 kilometers. So it will be coming for another service after 5,000 kilometers. Now, servicing does not really stops by removing and changing filters or air filters. We also check the tire pressure. With the sense of touch, it looks okay, but we are going to use pressure gauge to ensure that the whole tires are gauged and the threads are still okay. The tires doesn't have any form of injury. We are going to do a thorough greasing in all the nipples and also check for bolt and nuts for anyone that has loosed or that have slacked as a result of vibration. You know, our roads are very bad, so vibration can cause all these bolts and nuts to loose, even the wheel bolts. So these are the things we are going to do. We'll check the propeller to retight it. These two are the air filters, air tank. Sorry, this is the two air tank. This is where the air that controls the brake, controls the braking system and the clutch. This is even the air horn. This is where the reservoir, the air reservoir. So this one is air dryer. It dries the air before passing it to the air tank. So under this place now, I'm trying to recline the valve there to make sure there is no water trap in that air tank. So guys, that is all about for this servicing of this engine. We are expecting the driver to bring it back after 5,000 kilometers. So we're wrapping up this engine service here. Follow us for more practical details so as to do it yourself and save cost. Thank you very much.